Welcome to devlog number 3. Okay, so let me just quickly start these up. Okay, so the first major change I added is now there's a lobby. Going to quickly get everyone in. Okay, great. There's a lobby, and if you're the host and you ready up, sponsor icon appears, and for the clients, this appears for readying up. What's it called? Only the host can be the monster because of coding reasons, and also how the net codes work. So I'm just ready up, run up. Teleports you here. The other difference is now there's a map. So you can just quickly see this here. And I'm gonna actually just quickly hide one because it doesn't really matter right now. So you can see there's a bar and there's an ability here. So right now each type of character has one type of an ability, and for the players there's a health bar, but for the monster there's an ability bar. So if I click H, you could see everything, and this starts to drain. There's also an activation cost, so like can't spam it. So if I stop using any ability for 3 seconds, it starts generating. Not gonna lie, I also love this right now, the visual. And for the player, if I click R, I can activate speed boost. And then for 3 seconds, and then there's a 60-second cooldown. Okay. Let's see. The next thing is if let's get characters to quickly hack the computers. Actually, it doesn't really matter because I could just manually do it. So I'm gonna first get all the characters to an exit door, which is there's one on the top and one on the bottom, so monsters can't camp it, and it looks like this. So I'm just quickly get everyone here. Yeah. So one small thing I completely forgot about is that for the monsters, if they activate their vision ability, the radius of their light increases. Later I'm probably gonna add like a flashbang, but to make it like not tedious, it only will work if the monster has like their vision activated. Okay, so I need the door. So if I just quickly manually change this to 2, then you can see it's open. If I go in here, I turn into a ghost for the monster and myself, but the other player can't see it. Also, you can't really see this unless there's 3 player or non-monster players. But when I turn into a ghost, I can now see all the ghosts. But in this case, if I enter, it will just end the game because everyone's dead. If I just quickly start this back up again, next thing I have is death. Since you can see the health bar, let me just move this out of the way. I could just come over. Oh, whoops. There you go. I could come over here and use the sword ability to do damage. This is the wrong player. Uh, oh, it's you. Okay. You can see it does damage. I know it drains weird, but I did that on purpose because I thought that draining looked better. And now they're a ghost. Yep. Okay, so as a ghost, they can't see anything. I mean they can see it. I mean they can't interact with anything, including other players. And not gonna lie, this took way too long because I had to completely change my networking or netcode from Mir to the Unity netcode because somebody said it was better. I don't know if it is better. I'm starting to regret changing, but it does not matter now. So what I'm currently doing now is I'm trying to connect the game into Steam servers by just like going here and like you can add it by clicking add a game. And then if you get like multiple people to click add game, you could just like connect the server and stuff like that. But that requires coding and that's taking for a long time. But yeah. At least it's in alpha stage now.